Hi, second grade. Good morning. Today is Thursday, September 10th, 2020, and welcome to math class. So for today, I noticed that yesterday's math might have been a little bit difficult or confusing. So today we're going to continue practicing the same thing. So we're not moving on to a new lesson, and we're not using the books today unless we're looking back at the same lesson as yesterday, which was 1.6. So we're going to continue reviewing how to make numbers in different ways with our base 10 blocks and with number sentences and place value. Let's start by looking at our place value chart. This shows us the number of days that we have been in school, 15 days. And we have underneath our tens and ones, we have the base 10 blocks. So I'm going to show this now on my whiteboard, and I want you guys to follow along on your pocket sleeve, please. So go ahead on your pocket chart, write the number in standard form, 15. And then if you have blocks, you can show it with blocks, or you can draw the base 10 blocks. Let's show 110, and 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now this is showing us, go ahead and write this with me, our number sentence. 10, that's this, plus 5 equals 15. How many 10s do we have? We have 1 10. So 1 10 is the same thing as the number 10. Same thing. And how many 1s do we have? We have 5 1s. And all together, we have 15. Let's show this in a different way. So go ahead and erase what you have. And we still want to show the number 15, but let's try it in a different way. How else could we show it? We could use just 1 blocks. So go ahead, if you're counting with something, count out 15 or draw 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to pause right there, and I'm going to circle this so I remember that that's 10. Okay, and how many more do I need to add? 5 more. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I'm not going to circle that because I don't have 10 right there. So this will help me to remember how to add it. So now if we were to write this in a number sentence, we could write, how many 10s do we have? 0 10s, plus how many 1s? 15 1s. And that equals 15. So again, how many 10s? 0. How many 1s? 15. So we showed the number 15 in a different way with our base 10 blocks, but it still made 15. If you want more review making numbers in different ways with base 10 blocks, go ahead and watch the video again from yesterday. I'll post that link. Because now I'm going to show you what you're going to do for your activity today. It's completely on Seesaw. So I'm going to show you my screen on Seesaw, and you can follow along to understand what you will do. So when you go on to the activity on Seesaw, this is what you'll see. You'll have a different number because this is just my example, but you'll have a number in standard form in that center oval. Now you're going to make that number in different ways with tens and ones blocks. You're going to use the ones and tens blocks that I already have there that are in that green rectangle, and you're going to click it and drag them to drop it in each section to show the number in different ways with the blocks. So for the first one, I'm going to take a tens block, another 10 block, and a third 10 block. So I have 30. So then I need one ones block to make 31. So then I will write my number sentence, 30 plus, oh, no, not 3. How many ones blocks do I have? 1 equals 31. So that means I have 3 tens and 1 1. Next, I'll look at the one to the right of it down below. Now I need to grab 10 blocks again. 1, 2. So I have 20 right there. How many more do I need? Let's count. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So now I'm going to change it to write in a different color. Now I have 20 plus 11 equals 31. That means I have 2 10 blocks and 11 ones blocks. And now I'm going to do the last little section, show it in a different way. So I'm going to take one 10 block, and then the rest are ones. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And since I just made 10 with ones, I'm going to circle it so I remember that that's 10. And then let's keep going. That's 20, 21, 22, whoop, undo, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. That was another 10, so 10, I'm going to circle it so I remember. Then I need one more one. So now I'm going to change my color to white, and I have 1 10, so that's 10 plus 21 ones equals 31. I have 1 10 block and 21 ones blocks. Last, I'm going to write this number in word form. So I'm going to change the color, and now I will write 30 dash 1. So now I have shown the number 31 in 3 different ways with base 10 blocks. And I also showed it in 3 different ways with number sentences and looking at my place value. This is what you're going to do as well, but with different numbers, not with 31. There's another example to look at that I already did on Seesaw. If you click on the little picture to the left of the instructions. So you can look at that to remember what to do, rewatch this video if needed, and then take your time and have fun. It's fun moving the tens and the ones blocks. And remember, if you want to help yourself be able to add this, circle those 10 ones. Every time you make a group of 10, circle it, and it will help you remember that you can then skip count by tens to make sure that you have the total, which is your sum, that number that was written in the middle of the oval in standard form. And then after you complete this, make sure you click the green check, and if you would like, it's optional, you can go on ST Math. Thank you, second grade.